In the land of the long white cloud, a civilization thrived long before the first European footsteps graced its shores. This is the story of the Maori people, the indigenous Polynesian settlers of New Zealand. The year was approximately 1250, and the Maori, having navigated the vast Pacific Ocean in their great canoes, had found a new home. The islands they discovered, with their lush forests and towering mountains, became their own. The Maori people, divided into numerous tribes, or iwi, each with its own unique language and customs, began to establish their settlements. The North Island, teeming with forest and fertile land, became the heartland of Maori civilization. The tribes lived in harmony with the land, their lives governed by the principles of whakapapa, genealogy, and tikanga, customs. However, as resources became scarce, conflicts arose among the tribes. Wars were fought over land, resources, and the prestige that came with dominance. One of the most famous of these conflicts was the Musket Wars, which began in the early 1800s. The arrival of European traders introduced muskets into Maori society, and these deadly weapons transformed warfare. The tribes that acquired them gained an overwhelming advantage, and the balance of power shifted dramatically. Yet, despite the destruction and loss of life, the Maori continued to adapt and thrive. They embraced Christianity, and missionaries brought with them education, medicine, and new technologies. The Maori language flourished, and their unique culture continued to evolve. In the late 1840s, the Treaty of Waitangi was signed, an agreement between the British Crown and the Maori chiefs. The treaty was intended to establish peace and ensure Maori rights, but its interpretation and enforcement would lead to further conflict and injustice. Throughout the 20th century, the Maori people fought for their rights and recognition. They established political parties, cultural institutions, and language schools. Today, the Maori language is once again being spoken in homes and classrooms, and the Maori culture is celebrated as an integral part of New Zealand's national identity. The Maori people, with their resilience and adaptability, have survived and thrived for centuries. Their story is one of conflict and cooperation, of loss and renewal. It is a testament to the strength of their culture and the enduring spirit of the Maori people.